Hey guys, welcome to MathTech. Today we'll be learning how to get my AI on Snapchat, and now let's dive right in. Now to get my AI on Snapchat, first open up your Snapchat app, and over here guys at the bottom of the screen you can see there are 5 icons. We'll be required to tap on the message icon just beside the magnifying glass icon, so let's tap on the messages icon. And over here guys at the top of the list you will see my AI on Snapchat like this. Like also the team Snapchat, you will be able to view these two options on the top of the list. And if you don't have the my AI on your Snapchat, so first you'll be required to check either your Snapchat app on your phone is updated or not. So in order to do that, go to the Play Store and search for Snapchat, and after searching for Snapchat it will appear like this. And guys, open it. If you have an update pending over here, first make sure to update your Snapchat app, and with that the missing update including my AI chat will be downloaded. And even after updating your Snapchat app guys, if your my AI chat is not here or showing itself, then make sure to reinstall your Snapchat app guys. Delete your Snapchat or uninstall your Snapchat app on your phone, and make sure to reinstall it from the Play Store and log into your account. By that way my AI on the Snapchat will be available. And there, this is how to add my AI on Snapchat, or how to get my AI on Snapchat. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.